Hey guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to use Krita to make a character sprite for Unity. And I have my Unity open over here. And first off, you're going to have your character. I guess I twisted it. For here, it doesn't have to be too fancy. I just did a couple shapes. You can have whatever sprite you want, or kind of character shape style you want. And here I have here's my little character guy. Same principles, same elements. It's just more simplified right here. You're just gonna, and important, you're gonna have all of your limbs that you want to move in separate layers. And once they're all in separate layers, you're gonna move them apart so that when you import it, it's not weird. So you have this. It's good. It looks good. So you have a character. We're gonna press File. You're gonna save as, and I've already saved it. Name it. Do PNG or some other thing. I just find that PNG worked for me. His name is String Bean. He's right there. Have him saved, and then you're gonna go into Unity, and I already have him right there. But you're gonna go into Import New Asset, and then that should open up your files, and just find your character, press it, and you should get something like this. Oh, important. When you are importing it, make sure that your background is invisible. You don't want a background, because that background is going to show up as a sprite, and it's not good. So now we're in Unity. We have this guy. You're going to set him to multiple, not single, multiple. Then you're gonna press Sprite Editor, and it'll tell you to apply. You're gonna press that. You're gonna apply it, and now you have this. You're gonna press Slice. I'll just do some automatic. Press Slice, and it now gives me some different sections of the character, which is good. We want that, so I'll press Apply just to save that, I guess. Oh, and I guess here you can kind of edit some things if you want to. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to go to Skinning Editor, assuming that you're wanting to add a skeleton to add animations and such to this guy. Just apply to that. And then we're in here, Direction. So I'm going to just create some bones real quick, and the thing about Krita is that you're going to have to individually do it for each thing, like that. And then double tap on this. Like that, that'll disappear, and that's fine. It's still there. It's just invisible. Each place, you will right click to get rid of that extra one. That? Did I add one to the head? I did not. You can add that. You got that. And then for each individual one, you're gonna add geometry. Because see, it didn't add that to that, so you're gonna have to add it individually like that. Here we go. Like so. Now we got all the things. Perfection. It's good. And you want to add geometry, because if you don't, then then the limb will not move with the bone. The bone will just be flopping around by its own. It's lonesome like that. So now that we got that, we're gonna go back to our scene. And in order for this to work, you're gonna have to do each individual thing like that. It's gonna be, if you have a background like me, it's gonna be behind. That's fine. Just go over to Order and Layer. Just do it until it's in the forefront of everything. It's behind that guy right now, because he is above floor. So then you're gonna add each thing in front. Like that. And you can just put them all together. I'm not going to worry about making the body parts in individual layers for right now, because we're just putting them in. Because you're like this. If you do that, it's going to be in front, but if you wanted the head to be in front, you'd go to the head. Yeah, let's see if it goes in here. Yeah, there we go. Go to the head, and you'd want to make it like a 6. Oh, that's not the head. Ah, there's the head. So 6. So then it would be above the body, like that. Now, you can take each limb and put it where you want it to go. Now, just like that. That. And now if you want to add stuff like rigid bodies, then the sprite will stay together. You just have to add the components individually in each one. And then once you do that, because right now he's just going to kind of fall through the earth. But an example of this, I'll just use Oliver over here. He has all of his stuff rigged out. He can move all his stuff. And right now, I think only on his hip he has a collider on right now, so he will not fall through the earth. So you'll want to add that for this guy. If you want to be able to see the bones, you'll do add component, do here, skin, sprite skin, and then do that. Click create bones. Here, put them into view. So here. Should create the bone. Let's see. Oh, here we go. You know, just add the whole thing up there. Maybe. Oh, silly me. Oops. Apply all that. There we go. That should fix it. Okay, create bone. There we go. Now once you create a bone, you'll be able to control it from right here. And then you can do that for each individual one. Once you do that, if you want to make like an animation, go over to here. Click create. I'll just name this Ring Bean Wave. Save that. Press record. Do add don't add property. Put the hand up, and then move over here. Put the hand down. Put it over here. Just put the hand up, yes. And then when you press play, it will make an animation for you. Look at that, he's waving at us. Hi. And that is how you use Krita to make stuff. I made all the art in here with Krita. And yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.